Hello folks. It is March 14th. It's cold. It's like minus 20 Celsius, minus 20 something Celsius. It's the middle of the coronavirus panic. So I hope your relatives are all happy, healthy, and well. But we're going to make some pizzas. It's really cold out. So we're going to see if this Broil King keg keep up with minus 20 temperatures and still make pizzas at like 500 and something degrees Fahrenheit. Remove some tripping hazards first, some slip hazards. I don't have the tripod set up or anything today. Too cold to worry about too much. And my fancy heater here, my propane heater, is not working. I don't know whether the propane's frozen or something's wrong, so it's going to be cold. Anyway, we'll start by lighting a fire. Let's get the grill out of here. I'll put it on a snowbank. Okay. And I got this old barbecue brush, and what I do is I just get rid of all the old coals into the bottom there. Stir it around. Stir it around, stir it around. There, those ones will burn up next time. Get rid of all the powder and crap. Okay. And then step in the snow. Oh boy, we'll step in the snow. I'll go over here. We'll get some coals. Let's get some coals, boys. Pour these coals in. Normally I pick out nice coals and do a little thing, but it's so bloody cold I'm just going to dump some coals in today. There we go. That should make some heat. Then what I do is I don't want that powder and the little pieces to plug the air holes. So I stir it around and that pushes all the old stuff and all the new powder and little tiny guys into the bottom, into the tray. I'll light it on this side. We'll just kind of make a pile. Okay. And then we'll find some of my biodiesel-based lighter fluid. This stuff is biodiesel and alcohol. It's gelling because it's so cold outside. I'll shake it up. Okay, I'll put some of that crap on there. And we'll see if it lights. There. Come on. There we go. Oh, it's lighting. It's lighting. We'll get her going here, boys. Open the vents up. Then we got some air going. There we go. It's cold. It's like coming out like butter. Like hardened butter. Margarine. Alright. Let's let that light up and see what happens. Alright, about 10 minutes has gone by. Looks like we got some red coals in there. Fire's coming. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. The air is flowing. That's good. This is really good. Oh yeah, look at that. So what I'm going to do now is we'll spread these babies out a little bit. Now that they're kind of lit. Some of them are lit. Okay. There. I'll get our grill from the snow. Oops. Get our grill back. It's cold. Cold. And we'll put that bad boy back on. Okay. We'll close the lid up and let this thing heat up a little bit. We'll open up the top vent. There we go, all the way. There. Alright. Now we'll see what that temperature gauge does. Let's see what it does. She's right down on 0 right now, but you want to do pizzas in the between 500 and 600, I find works quite well. So we'll let it sit for a little bit and let it heat up. Another 15 minutes has passed. We're starting to get up there. We're starting to get some nice heat. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Yeah. Just clean some of this garbage off of here. We're not cooking right on the grill. I'll show you what we're doing in a minute. Just get some of the junk off of there so it can burn off before we start actually cooking. Okay. Get this attachment down here. My God. I'll shake the snow off of it. This leave. Okay, let's let that warm up. I've got this old pizza stone here. I used to make you don't want to make the mistake of putting the pizza on inside on this cold pizza stone and then bringing it out and putting it on the grill. You want the pizza stone hot, so we got to get that heated up right now. Heat it up right now in this oven. Okay, because you want to bring the pizza in and lay it on the hot stone so it starts cooking right away. Okay. Let's let that bad boy heat up like that. Okay, see, it's very cold outside. All the heat's gone down to 250. So we'll let those coals continue to burn. We'll get back up into the 500 plus range and then we will put on some pizzas. Don't be too scientific. All right, look at that. We're pushing 600. This is perfect. This is going to be great for pizza. Those coals are on fire. This is hot. That's how you want it. You don't want to do a cold pizza stone from inside. The pizza stone's going to start cooking the pizza as soon as we put it on. So here's the pizza. Okay, we want to just transfer it. In fact, this is where the tripod would have been nice, boys, but I'm going to do one-handed here. Gonna get this bad boy under here like this. Oh yeah, just work it like that. Do, and stay with me, stay with me. Don't burn yourself up onto the stone. There we go. There we go. Right there. Right there. It just fits perfect on that stone. Okay, it's about in the middle. Let's not lose any more heat. Okay, that's going to creep back up to 500 plus. And we're going to watch it. You can actually watch it through here. Look at that. You can kind of monitor the cheese from the top. Probably under 10 minutes and that thing's going to be looking good. So we'll check back in 5 to 10. Okay, 10 minutes later. Yeah, it's back up above 500. You can hear the sizzling. Look at that. It's almost, oh wow, it's almost too much. But that'll work. Let's cut the corners off. Yeah, the coals are on fire. 10 minutes is almost too much. That's it though. That's a good looking pizza. Little bit heavy around there, but that's it, man. It goes fast. If you get that thing hot, 10 minutes is all you need to make a great pizza. That looks good. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this.